Hello, everybody, and welcome back to FX Street. The next coin up for discussion is none other than the infamous Dogecoin killer, Shiba Inu, right? And since our last discussion, Shiba Inu has done quite a bit. So before we actually get into it, I want to direct attention to the FX Street YouTube channel. If you enjoy the content that we put out, please make sure to the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. You can also follow us on Twitter at FXS Crypto, right? You can also give me a follow on Twitter at Mangeko with the zero at the end. So back to Shiba Inu. The last time I explained this, Shiba Inu was somewhere, I think we were on, it was on 11th April. Let me just check that. This was 2 days ago. I'm not sure if I did this. Actually, I did that. Right, so it was roughly 2 days ago, which was on Tuesday, which would put it 2 days ago, Tuesday. What date was Tuesday? Was the 12th. Yep. So yeah, I think it happened on the day this candle actually took place. So I think this candle was mainly because Robinhood listed Shiba Inu. Like people were requesting Robinhood to list Shiba Inu all the way up to this particular run up here, somewhere around here. But the rumors kept on piling up. Robinhood did not respond. But finally, we get a silent listing from Robinhood, which caused the price to spike up roughly 22%, if I remember correctly. Let me just see this. Yeah, it was a 21% upswing, but at one point in time, it was 36% upswing. Right, so interestingly, the price also, again, like after multiple attempts, failed attempts here from 29th March to 5th April, we see a similar wick, which tells us that a lot of people were booking profits anytime price moved above 271. So the reason for that could probably be this cluster of candles over here, which are going to act as supply zones. Supply zone, basically. I'll just change this. Yep. So any move into this supply zone is basically where you're going to expect a lot of profit taking to occur, and that's exactly what's happened so far. Let's just ignore the supply zone for now. Yeah, so let's ignore this for now. So the overall structure for Shiba Inu is still pretty much the same, where the price is forming a larger Adam and Eve pattern inside the larger Eve. There's another Adam and Eve. There was another Adam and Eve pattern, but now the price has kind of evolved into something a little different. Right now, what we see here is this is the Eve and this is the Adam, right? So usually, this is how an Adam and Eve pattern plays out. You get a sharp V-shaped recovery followed by a rounded bottom. But sometimes the price also does this. Both the structures are pretty much the same. The measurement rules are pretty much the same, right? So my thesis has remained pretty much the same since I think since before 25th March. I pointed out this pattern and it's still valid, right? So the larger Adam and Eve pattern predicts 38% upswing, which puts the target at 454. But from the current position, this is roughly 75% upswing, right? If you long Shiba Inu right now, you would get a 75% upswing on your investment. But there is a really good chance price could move beyond this level here and extend up to the next level here, which is 500. Mainly because it's a psychological level, and whole numbers tend to have some sort of a special place in people's mind when trading. So assuming that actually happens from the current position, this would be a 95% upswing. And if you followed me on FX Street, you could see that I have been writing a lot of articles on Shiba Inu and 100% upswing for quite some time here. Like, yep, 75% upswing, 60% upswing. Like I've been writing about Shiba Inu and this Adam and Eve pattern since I think actually not mid-March. Yep, since March 25th, right? And we got the initial spike on March 12th. But unlike the last few times here, the price has still managed to break above the 271 level. So if you just want to play it safe, and then you can open a long position once we get a daily close above 271. right? And your take profit levels could be at 329 if you want to play it safe, because there could be some sort of a retracement or rejection around 329 as well. But if you just want to open a swing position and let's just forget about it, then I think the place to take profits would be 454, beyond which would be 500. So that's the upside targets. As for the downside, you don't want to see Shiba produce a daily close below 211, probably even 204, mainly because that would produce a lower low with respect to all of these, relative to all of these lows, right? And that would kind of indicate a shift in market structure towards sellers. So yeah, that pretty much is it for Shiba Inu, guys. If you enjoyed this analysis, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.